It's that time, burger time in our home. And today I am making a special burger using portobello and stuffing it. So come and join me and find out about this recipe. Hi, I'm Ruth Angelina and welcome to Simply Made Fancy. And today in this video, we're gonna be making portobello stuffed burgers. So delicious. And I have a couple of things and tweaks and tricks up my sleeve so that you can make this too at home, and it's super delicious. So let's get started. First, you're gonna have to make your burgers. I normally do not get like already made, pre-made burgers, only in emergencies. There are some good brands out there, but just go to your local supermarket, grocery shop, wherever you get your meats, and just buy a lot of, ground meat. And that's what I do. I went to Costco and I buy the big, ginormous ground meat, and then I mix it myself. And how do I mix it? It's the simplest thing. Buy yourself this ginormous thing of McCormick Montreal steak seasoning. I use it for all my steaks and pretty much for all my meats when I'm grilling. It's the best thing for the grill. And then I also put some Worcestershire sauce in it and mix it up. And then I make a lot of patties. The amount of meat that I bought at Costco gave me enough to make 31 burgers of approximately this size. So for the portobello mushroom burger, I am going to be stuffing my pre-made burgers into that portobello mushroom. Also, you can pick up portobello mushrooms anywhere. I picked these up at Costco as well. They're pretty big. I mean, you can have a portobello mushroom just like this as your meat and kind of like your burger, but we wanted to stuff it today. One thing, do not rinse your mushroom with water. You do not want to do that. Just wipe the dirt off, because it'll make it mushy. So wipe the dirt off. And then you're gonna want to take the core out. See? Don't put it in water. That's my big suggestion. I'm gonna put them all here, and then I will start stuffing them, and I will show you what I'm gonna do. This is what I'm gonna do to stuff them. I have blue cheese, and this is kind of what I had at home. You could use whatever you want, but I love blue cheese. If I would have had more, I would probably just do blue cheese. But I have blue cheese, some yellow cheddar, and some sharp white cheddar from England, actually. It's like a coastal cheddar. It's so good. And then onions and these little peppers that we also grilled the day before, but I'm gonna put them in my burger and smush them in. So first, let me just wipe all these portobellos, and then I'll start stuffing them. I'm gonna add some olive oil coat it with some olive oil all over. I'm not gonna salt it. It's not really good because it'll draw out all the moisture of the portobello, and you kind of wanna keep it in there for the grilling. Just make it nice and okay. So now, should have used gloves, but you're gonna take your meat and you're just gonna, I had already made these into patties because I made a bunch of burgers and I froze them, and I kept these aside for this purpose for today. So you're just gonna put a little bit of onions and then kind of smush it, and you're gonna make the burger again, the burger shape. So it's gonna be in there. Okay, now for the cheese. I'm gonna put the cheese inside this part. I know, lots of cheese. I love it when it's all gooey. Now, ready to stuff it. So all we're gonna do is make sure that that meat fits right in there. Just gonna stuff it in there. And now this is ready to go on the grill. See how simple it is? And it's super delicious. And we're actually going to not put a bun on this because you can just eat it like that. But what my husband and I have been trying to do this summer to stay at least somewhat lean is to minimize the bread intake when we're eating burgers, because we're grilling like every night and nonstop on the weekends. Pretty much almost lunch and dinner is on the grill. So that's why we're kind of like mixing the bread. So we're just gonna put it in a bed of lettuce and some salad, and that's our burger for today. All right, so look who we have here, the grill master.
So we got the grill nice and clean. We sprayed it. I sprayed with it. It's Pam, no artificial flavors or colors, just a high heat, just to kind of, once you clean it, you coat it with this. It seems to work. So I heated it up. It's like 175 right now, according to this. It's nice and hot. I put everything on medium now from high. And we don't want it too hot. We don't want to burn, scorch. Boom.
There we go. Perfect.
Now we're just gonna close this up.
And lunch in a few.
We want it like medium, low medium, just to kind of slow. It's already super hot in there, so just the heat, it's like an oven a bit. We'll see. It smells good though. It already smells good, and it hasn't even cooked yet. All right, so as you can see, I did the burger side, and then now I just flipped them. So now it's just cooking them a little bit so the mushroom gets nice and tender, and then they're done. Look at that cheese underneath. It looks so good. These little burgers are done as well, and we are ready for our nice 4th of July lunch.
Oh my goodness. This looks delicious. And instead of ketchup, I'm just gonna top it with this like little garlic, olive oil, and chives, and cilantro sauce. So good. Now, if you guys don't make these, shame on you. These are delicious. They smell good. They look beautiful. You will impress anyone. And you saw, it's not that hard to make. So I am ready to eat these.
I'm not gonna die. There's a bird back.
Oh my gosh.
There's a bird in the back.
If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like button. And if you want to see more recipes like this, check out some of my other videos. See you next time. Happy grilling. Happy summer.